was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I...
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to be review about Nutria Fresh Whitening Facial Kit. Let's start it. Nutria Fresh is Pakistani brand and it facial kit contains 5-step and price 4,000 rupee. The first step of Nutria Fresh Facial Kit is Facial Cleanser. Cleanser reduce dark and uneven pigmentation, freckles, and age spots will gradually become lighter and skin begins to glow and look youthful and fresh. Apply cleanser to wet skin, then leave alone for several minutes so the ingredients have time to work. While cream is still slightly wet, gently massage into skin until it dries. Wash with lukewarm water and pat dry. Nutria Fresh Facial Kit second step is Skin Polish. The Skin Polish formula is an advanced polishing system infused with glycolic acid to help loosen old skin layers, microbeads to gently buff away dead skin cells to reveal new skin. Helps, fairness actives to help even out the complexion. Apply to wet skin with gentle massaging strokes for several minutes, and remove it. Nutria Fresh Facial Kit third step is Massage Cream. This massage cream, fortified with honey and almond butter and enriched with multivitamins, is ideal for deep tissue massage to help increase circulation, refresh, energize, and relax muscles, and boost skin health. With regular use, your skin will become smooth, soft and silky. Massage into face with light strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. Nutria Fresh Facial Kit fourth step is Intensive Face Scrub. This effective rice scrub that is a 2-in-1 skin brightener and buffer. This blended the formula with mini beads that gently remove dead skin cells, glycolic acid to help peel away old skin layers, AHA to beautify the complexion, and fairness actives, such as kojic acid, to help brighten dull skin. I applied scrub to wet skin, then leave alone for several minutes so the ingredients have time to work. While scrub is still slightly wet, gently massage into skin until it dries and remove it with sponge. Nutria Fresh Facial Kit fifth step is Facial Mask. Whitening Clay Mask is innovative formula that lightens skin pigmentation. This formula is blended with kojic acid to brighten complexion, glycolic acids to loosen dead cells and bring shine to dull skin, and kaolin to purify and tighter pores. With regular use, skin will glow. Sixth step is Whitening Serum. Whitening Serum formula blended with alpha-arbutin, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid to brighten complexion, remove dark spot and tighten pores. To apply a facial serum, clean your face thoroughly and pat dry with a damp towel. Then, massage a small amount of product on your face and massage circular motions. You can use jade roller. Wow, I got amazing results. Nutria Fresh Whitening Facial Kit 100% recommended from my side.